Here's how to start a digital marketing side hustle. If you're looking for a great way to make extra stream of income and you want to start making money online, then this is for you. Are you struggling to pay for expenses and have lots of debt? Well, you don't have to struggle anymore. You can do this while working full-time and scale as large or small as you want. Today I'll discuss how you can get started right now. So what's digital marketing? It's the process of promoting brands to customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. What are some of the benefits of digital marketing? It's great for those who want another stream of income. It's also nice if you do it while working a day job full-time, so you can still enjoy doing the things you love. You can make as little or as much as you want. You're enjoying this video, give it a like. So here's how you can get started. Start by finding your niche. Think about things you're interested in. For example, health, beauty, fashion, money. Think about things you talk about on a daily basis. Next thing you can do is find your audience. Start posting content related to that interest or niche. You can do this on social media, blogs, or websites. Whatever's easier for you, and whatever you're comfortable doing. Next, you're going to find a product to promote. There are tons of businesses that need marketers to promote their products. You play a big role in the sales the company gets. There are a lot of places to find products. A few are ClickBank, Digistore24, and CJ Affiliate. The list goes on from there. Almost every brand or company you buy from has a program. To start making money, you promote the product, you earn a commission. Every time someone buys or make a sale from that link, you get paid. So here are my final thoughts. These are just some of the basics of how to start. I won't go into full detail on how to do digital marketing here. Marketing requires a lot of patience, time, and consistency. Everyone has different levels of results, so it will depend on your efforts. As long as you show up daily, you can be proud of that. Well, you made it to the end. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, then you can subscribe. But if you're interested in taking things to the next level with high-paying skills and an amazing education, you can visit the link in my description. If you're not ready to take the next steps, you can ask me any questions you have about starting a business from your bedroom and the comfort of your home. Join my Facebook group, and you can ask me any questions. Take care and goodbye.